All right, today we're going to do an update on the 100 video challenge. If you don't know what the 100 video challenge is, go ahead and see the video I did before this on my channel where I introduced that. It's something to allow you to get more visible in your business. More visibility is going to mean you make more money. If you're new here, my name is Anita. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I own FDS Creatives. I help business owners get more visible through video marketing and content repurposing. And today we're doing an update on the 100 video challenge. Now, if you watched that last video, you know that I had a tracker and I am right at 49 videos. And I'm going to have to sprint to get 100 done this month, but we are going to do our best over here. And I just want to talk about, now that I'm halfway through, what I think has happened. So far, it has allowed me to really be conscious of creating more video content even more consistently. So that's been really great. Number two, it's really helped me, I think, become more confident and have a little bit more ease in front of the camera. For those of you who don't know, I'm naturally an introvert. Getting on camera is something that I'm becoming more comfortable with over time, but it's not something I naturally go to. I am definitely not an extrovert. And so it does take a little bit for me to get more comfortable doing it, but here I am. And I just want to encourage you, if you are thinking about getting on video and maybe you're not as comfortable on camera, I want to let you know that it is possible. You can get comfortable, and part of it is practicing. So the more videos you create, the more comfortable you're going to get. And that is what I really wanted to work on. That's part of why I chose to do the 100 video challenge in a month. Now, if you're looking at this and you started with me and you're like, okay, there's no way I'm going to finish this in a month, you absolutely can extend the amount of time that you do this. I didn't put a time frame on this. And the reason I didn't is because the more important thing for you to see is that after 100 videos, no matter if it takes you 1 month or 2 months or a quarter, from video 1 to video 100, we should see an increase in how comfortable you are on video and your presence on video and your ability to talk on video. And I'm already seeing that more at video 49, but I'm going to press on. I'm not going to give up. And if you're somebody who maybe holds yourself to a high standard, I want to offer you this thought. Instead of focusing yourself on the ideal of having these 100 videos done, I want you to think about the progress that you're making with each video. See, I don't aim for every video to be perfect. I simply am trying to make each video 1% better than the last video. Does that always happen? It doesn't. I try, but I'm going to absolutely do my best. Now, if you're watching this and you're thinking, I'd love to connect with other entrepreneurs who are doing this, I want you to go on Facebook and join Video Marketing for Entrepreneurs with FDS Creatives. It's a group of supportive, action-taking entrepreneurs, and it's free to join. It's going to allow you to ask questions and get help and connect with others who are showing up online. And then the other thing I wanted to share with you, if you're watching this and you're thinking, listen, I don't know what to say in my first or next video, I want you to watch the video I'm putting on the screen. That's going to absolutely help you. As always, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.